Okay, normally when students see question like this, they tend to be very, very afraid of it. Some of them will be like, where do I start? What kind of question is this? But believe me, this is a piece of cake. It's a very simple question to tackle. And this is JAMB 1990, question number 8. And the question is simplified. Then we have the bigger square root, 160r squared plus, then the next square root, 71r raised to the power 4, plus, then the last square root there, which is square root of 100r raised to the power 8. What do you do? Simply start from the innermost square root. That's what you do. Now, starting from the innermost square root, which is solution, I'm having the innermost square root here is square root of 100 raised to the power 8. Now, according to the rules of sum, if I have two values multiplying, this is 100 times r to the power of 8. If I have two values multiplying in a single sword, in a single square root sign, I can do well to separate them. That is square root of 100 times square root of r raised to the power 8. Square root of r to the power of 8. What will I have here? Square root of 100 is 10 times r to the power of 8. What do I have here? Remember that if I have a square root of a squared, the square is permitted to cancel the square root. That means 2 as a power is able to cancel a square root. Now I can bring out 2, which is a square, in 8. So what do I have? This is going to give me square root of, okay, when the 2, which is a power in 8, cancels the square root, I'm going to be left with r to the power of 4. So square root of 100 r raised to the power 8 will simply give me 10r raised to the power of 4. This value has been simplified. So this will now be used to add to the next square root. The next square root sign will become square root of 71r raised to the power of 4 plus, we have simplified square root of 100r to the power of 8, which is 10r to the power of 4. That is plus 10r to the power of 4. Now, if you notice something here, the r to the power of 4 is serving as a unit. If I have 71r to the power of 4 and I have 10r to the power of 4, how many r to the power of 4 do I have? It is simply 71 plus 10, which is 81. So this will give me square root of 81r to the power of 4. Just like I did before, I can separate them. That is square root of 81 times square root of r to the power of 4. What will happen here? Square root of 81 is 9. This will give me 9 times. Remember there is square in 4. That square will cancel the square root side. I'm going to be having r. What is left there? 4 divided by the square. That's 2. Which cancel will give me 2. Now 9 times r to the power of 2 will give me 9r. 9r to the power of 2. Now this value I have is for simplifying the second bracket. It will be added to the last bracket, which will then give me square root of 160r squared plus what I simplified here, which is 9r squared. Just like we did before. If I have 160r squared, I have 9r squared. How many r squares do I have altogether? 169. So this will give me square root of 169r squared. Then separating them, I'm going to have square root of 169 times square root of r all squared. Then what do I have here? Square root of 169 is 13 times square root of r squared. Square will just simply cancel square root. What do I have left is what? R. Then 13 times r will give me what? 13r, which is the answer. So we'll go to the option, and that is option C, 13r. You can see it's so simple. Follow, like, and share for more of these videos like this. Thank you.